Every real estate agent loses deals to speed to lead, but I'm about to build an AI demo that fixes that and only takes about 10 seconds. Hey, Dar here. Real estate is a brutal niche. And is it niche or niche? Well, you know what I'm talking about. If you show up with generic marketing talk, real estate agents have heard it all. What they haven't seen, though, is their own website talking back to a lead or AI voice talking to a lead like it already works for them. So I'm going to run my AI DemoDrop system on a real estate agent's live website and show you exactly what the agent sees when we send it over to them. Here's the play. The AI DemoDrop system scrapes the agent's actual website. It builds a mini knowledge base of their listings, their info, and then it generates a simulated version of their own website with an AI chat and an AI voice widget sitting on it. So when the agent opens the link, they're not watching a video from me. They're actually personally asking the AI questions about a listing. And it answers, qualifies them like a real lead, and books a showing on their own website using their own content. So watch what happens. I'm about to put it through its paces. Look at this example I have for you. Live business. I'm going to do a demo example for you using a dummy contact, but a real business. And today we have Remax. Remax. You know how big they are? Remax, the real estate company. Here I am, Remax, and they do not have a web chat widget on their website to answer questions. They have a lot of stuff, right? If I just want to get on and I have questions, what do I have here? Like I've got to sort through it all on the website. So let's bring them in. I've already got them in here as a contact. I've got myself as a test. I've got the real business right here at Remax. I've got their real website here. And the system has identified that there is no web chat on their site. And so sure enough, if we go here, you can see Remax has been put in the lead opportunity pipeline. We're going to call after hours. And what's going to happen? Goes to voicemail. Now, there's a chance that an agent answers, and if so, you would drag it here to yes, they do have after hours answering. So you know that information. But in this case, we're going to say no after hours answering, and then we're going to reach out. We're going to reach out to let them know they are missing leads. And you know these real estate agents, especially the brokers, they do not want to miss any leads. Right? So you say, hey, I've built this AI agent for you. You know the script. You heard me say it earlier. You're losing these leads. I've got an AI front office that we have built for you that captures every lead. So you never miss another lead again. They don't go to the other real estate agents and brokers. I'm going to send it over. What's the best email to send it? They say, yeah, send it. They give me the email. I drag this over here to send AI mockup. And while I'm on the phone with them, I'm like, okay, so it's coming right now. I want you to be ready to check your email. I want to make sure you got it. It didn't go to spam. We're going to go here into the contact and we're going to just count to 10 while we're on talking to them. And sure enough, just like that, the demo has been sent. You can see it right here. It's been sent to them. So I'm on the phone with them and I'm like, oh, by the way, so it did just send it. You know, I told them I've made this for you. I'm sending it right now. Check your email. I know it's there. Here it is. And by the way, while we're at it, click on this. You're going to see your website and the AI agent that I built for you that frankly is better than your other agents. You're going to click on this and it's going to pull up Remax, the real estate brokerage company right here. We're going to click on this and let's have a chat with it like they would have a chat with it. They're going to get to experience what this would be like on their website or after hours phone calls answering, like what it would be like for their prospects.
Hi, thanks for calling Remax. My name is Emma. How can I help you?
Hey, Emma, my wife and I are considering starting to look for a new home. And obviously, Remax is a big name, so we thought we'd give you a call first.
That's great to hear, and I appreciate you reaching out. Are you looking for a specific type of home or neighborhood, or just starting to explore your options?
Well, we currently live in Edmond, but we're thinking about moving further into the country up in Arcadia. Do you all have homes in Arcadia?
Absolutely. Remax has listings in Arcadia and the surrounding areas. Are you interested in a particular style like acreage, single family, or something else?
Small acreage, maybe like, 1 acre, nothing big, maybe 2 tops, kind of in like a secluded lot.
Got it. You're looking for a smaller acreage, 1 to 2 acres with some privacy. That's definitely doable in Arcadia. Would you like to connect with an agent for available listings, or do you want info on the buying process first?
I'd love to know about the buying process.
Sure thing. The process usually starts with getting pre-approved for a loan, then narrowing down your must-haves and touring homes. Once you find the right place, your agent helps with offers, negotiations, inspections, and closing. Would you like tips on getting pre-approved or details about working with a RE/MAX agent?
Actually, the pre-approved question was going to be my next question. How do we do that?
Great timing. RE/MAX partners with lenders who can walk you through pre-approval. They'll review your finances, credit, and income, then let you know what you qualify for, usually within a couple of days. Would you like an agent to connect you with a lender, or do you already have someone in mind?
I already have someone, but I'm always open to seeing about the best deal I can get.
Makes sense. Shopping around is smart. If you'd like, I can have an agent share some lender options for you to compare rates and programs. Would you like me to set that up?
Yeah, let's set that up.
Perfect. I'll get a few details to connect you with the right agent. May I have your last name just to make sure I've got everything correct?
Yeah, my last name is Holdsworth. That's HOLDSWORTH. And my first name is Dar, DAR.
Thanks, Dar. Just to confirm, that's DAR for your first name and HOLDSWORTH for your last name, right?
That's correct.
Great. Thanks for confirming. Could I get the best phone number for you, Dar?
It is 678-556-4389.
All right. Just to make sure I got that right, 678-556-4389. Is that correct?
Correct.
Thanks, Dar. Is your email still levelupplus@testermaxd@prolificsas.com? Or would you like to use a different one?
Yep, that's the one I'm using right now for this test.
Perfect. Thanks for confirming. Is there a good day and time in the next day or two when you'd like an agent to reach out?
Generally in the afternoons after 3:30.
Got it. Afternoons after 3:30 work best for you. Is there anything else you'd like to ask about the process or Arcadia listings while I have you?
Is it possible that in Arcadia there's sort of like a modern farmhouse vibe, but more on the modern, but not too modern?
Absolutely, Dar. Arcadia has several homes with that modern farmhouse style. Clean lines, open spaces, but still warm and inviting, not overly industrial. Agents can definitely help you find options that fit that vibe. Anything else on your wish list?
How would I see a list of what you currently have in inventory?
You can browse current listings anytime at athomiokc.com, or your agent can send you a custom list based on your preferences. Would you like an agent to email you some options to start?
That sounds good, yes.
Great. I'll have an agent email you some Arcadia listings with that modern farmhouse feel and acreage. Anything else you want to add before we wrap up?
Nope.
We appreciate you contacting RE/MAX. Our team will follow up soon. Thanks for trying out the custom demo and have a great evening.
Thank you. And see, just like that, the AI agent has engaged with someone, and now I'm having a conversation with them. I've forgotten that it's an AI agent, and when someone is in the buying process or they're interested in something, they want to engage way more than they want to just get a voicemail. If they're interested in something, they want to talk about it. They want to share, farmhouse, the modern, this and that, and here's the city and where I want to live in. There's a feeling of something is happening. And actually something is happening. Anyway, this is why every business, I shouldn't say every, but the majority of businesses will be using AI agents. I don't know, the next 3 months, 6 months, 2 years. I don't know what that time frame is, but we're going to look back on history and go, man, I remember when that came to be and we got to be part of it, because they're all going to be using it, or they're going to get left behind if they're not. So that's the moment for the agent, the epiphany, where they realize that every lead that hits their current real site and gets nothing back is a lead that just called the next real estate agent that they've lost to their competitor. That's the whole point of leading with this approach. Instead of a pitch, it makes them problem aware and solution aware before you've said a word about pricing. The outbound message is simple. Hey, we noticed you're missing leads who are actively looking to spend money with you, and they're getting ghosted and moving on to your competitors. So I built an AI front office for you that engages every one of them and increases your chance of making a sale rather than losing it to your competitors. Is there any reason why you wouldn't want to see it? There's also an on-demand version of this, where an agency can run ads to a page or hold a webinar where a prospect drops their own information in, their own site, and gets the demo generated for them instantly. If you'd like the DemoDrop system that builds these AI agents for you in just minutes for prospects on simulated versions of their websites, it's only $1,997 on my website, darholdsworth.com. But I'll tell you this, I give it away free to my HighLevel agency and pro affiliates because I support my affiliates and I want you to be successful. So I'm going to give you all the tools possible to help with that. You can start your 30-day free trial of HighLevel with my affiliate link down below, By the way, drop real estate in the comments if this is the niche you're targeting. But if it's not, if you want to see another AI demo example for a different niche, drop it below. Let me know. I'll make one, I'll publish it. And of course, if you liked the video, I'd appreciate you giving it a like. If you have any questions about anything, I read all the comments, drop a comment below, and consider subscribing if this benefits you in any way, if it's helpful, and if you want to see more videos that I will continue to drop in the future. Thanks a lot. We'll see you.